In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include social media icons on Carrd.co. If you're building a simple one-page site on Carrd, adding social icons is a quick way to help visitors find you elsewhere. You'll just need access to your Carrd account and the site you want to edit. Start by heading to Carrd.co and logging in. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the site you want to update. Each site card shows a small pencil icon. Click that to open the site in the editor. This takes you into Carrd's Builder where you can add and edit elements on the page. Inside the builder, look for the Add control. Depending on your layout, it appears as a plus button or an add button in the toolbar. Click it to open the element menu. From the list of elements, choose Icons. Carrd will place a new Icons block on your page and you'll see its settings panel on the left or right, depending on your interface layout. This is where you'll choose which platforms to display. Open the drop-down in the icon settings and select the social platforms you want to show, such as Instagram, X, LinkedIn, YouTube, or others. Each selection adds its corresponding icon to the block. As you pick icons, keep your audience in mind. Only include platforms you actively maintain to avoid clutter. You can also adjust basic styling here, like the size, color, spacing, and alignment, so the icons match your site's look. A slightly larger size improves visibility on mobile, while consistent spacing keeps the row clean and readable. If you need more than one icon, simply click Add again inside the icons element to include additional platforms and repeat the same selection process. For each icon you include, you can enter the full URL to your profile so visitors are redirected when they click. Be sure to paste the entire link, including HTTPS, to prevent broken redirects. If your handle changes over time, this is the place you'll update it. It's also a good idea to keep the order of icons consistent with how you list them in your other profiles, since that makes them faster to recognize. Once your icons are in place and linked, position the block where it makes the most sense, often near your name and bio, or in the footer for a more minimal look. Keep the design simple and leave enough space around the icons so they're easy to tap on mobile. That's it. You've added social media icons to your Carrd site, chosen your platforms, and linked them to your profiles for quick, clean navigation.